Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the class. So, here we are with another session of our first unit, and we are here with the B reading the poem. The name of the poem is My Mother. My Mother, the poem which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So, Rabindranath Tagore is popularly known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. He was the founder of Shanti Niketan, an experimental school. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his Gitanjali, the Song of Offerings. Each of his poems reflects Indian vision and love towards his motherland. He is considered the voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism. Okay, children. So here, this poem, My Mother, is written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was born in and also belongs to Bengal. Okay, children. Now let us enter in the poem. This poem is having 3 stanzas, and in each and every stanza it has been expressed the emotions of the poet. Okay, let us see. I cannot remember my mother, only sometimes in the midst of my play. A tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shuli flowers float in the air, the scent of the morning services in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. I cannot remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I see my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So children, here we have 3 stanzas, and in each and every stanza it is expressing the emotions and feelings of the poet. Who is the poet here? Rabindranath Tagore. So here in the first stanza, I cannot remember my mother, only sometimes in the midst of my play. A tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some songs that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. So children, you have to focus on the words what he has expressed are related in the past events. That means he has almost lost his mother at very young age. So here in the first stanza he is saying he is recalling his mother's memory. He is not able to recognize his mother's physical appearance, but he is able to recall his mother's memory in the playthings, and at the same time when he have a look over the cradle, he also reminds of the tune what his mother used to hum while rocking the cradle when he was a small infant, when he was a very small baby. In the second stanza, I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shuli flowers float in the air, the scent of the morning services in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. So here he is also remembering the season, the autumn season, the early autumn season. The autumn season means the season between summer and winter, in which the leaves become to change its colors. Okay, children. And the scent of the morning services in the temple services. So while the morning services in the temple, we just offer some flowers and some incense sticks which we use to burn to make the atmosphere very pleasant. So that kind of atmosphere also make him to feel like the presence of his mother. I cannot remember my mother, only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. So in the third stanza, children, here the poet is getting very emotional when he stands over the window and gazes at the sky, and he feels that his mother is gazing at him from the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. He feels that his mother is gazing. Gazing means looking over him from the distant sky, and he feels that the mother's appearance is existing in the present situation also. But they are not what we can say, yes, they are not appearing really, but he imagines that by seeing over those things what he used to play or what he used to experience the presence of the morning services and while looking at the distant sky. So children, here we have three stanzas, and in each and every stanza the poet is showing his expressions, his feelings towards his mother's presence, even though she is not there, as he has lost his mother at very early age. So children, the central idea of the poem is, the poem I cannot remember my mother is about a child who does not remember his dead mother, but the child perhaps carries some unforgettable attachment of the mother's image in his mind. So the poem is an emotional expression of a child's memory of his mother who is dead. It is about the sensitivity and intense feeling of a child and the attachment that he has with his mother. In this poem, the child remembers all the things that his mother used to do. His mother left this world when he was still young. Thank you, children.